Sorry, I was busy watching them. Look at that, how they come down in a horde. Are those European starlings? That's how why the bird seed was decimated. I put a shitload on there yesterday. That's what's going on. The starlings finally found, and Smudgy finally found the starlings that found the bird feed. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. She's gonna lose it, Mick and Scatter. She's gonna lose it. That's wild, isn't it, guys? Look at that. She's coming unglued here. Here's Raspy. He sees them too, so he absolutely sees them. Blue Jay just wants to grab a peanut. She wants to just bolt at him. Yep. See, that one was getting his winter coat with the white spots. Good job. Good job, girlfriend. I know. Those birds were at our window. Huh. Smudge said no. There's just too many fucking birds. Too many fucking birds in my window, man. Look at her. Yeah, this is making her happy. Happy morning for her. See that one? No, it's got its winter white spotted feathers. They all get those in the wintertime, European starlings. And then in the warmer weather, they have that iridescent black sheen. In the sun, it's iridescent, like it's got greens and blues. It's really purples. Yeah, they have that in the spring and the summer, and then in the fall, when the weather starts cooling down, they start getting the white spots in their feathers. I know, it's interesting. When I first moved here and I saw them, and then I saw, they looked like different birds in the cold weather, but when most other birds are gone, you've got the blue jays and the cardinals and the doves and the starlings that stay. Yeah. I know, they're pretty cool looking all spotted like that. But then again, their summer and spring coats, feathers are beautiful when you see them in the sun. They look like, those oil puddles in the sun, how they have that. Yeah. It's just been bird frenzy today. And the littler birds, not the starlings, but the sparrow types are getting very, very bold. So now you've got squirrels, blue jays, doves, an occasional cardinal, occasional woodpecker. Once I get the suet started, I'll have to start buying that next month. My arm's getting tired. My tripod that I have isn't big enough, tall enough. It's not a floor tripod. It's like a desk tripod. Or a table tripod. It's definitely not floor size. Because it wouldn't be very compact if it was. So... Go get 'em, smudges. Go get 'em, smudges. What kind of bird is that? That doesn't look like a starling. That's not the same. That doesn't look the same as the starlings. It's more of a brown. It's more of a brown. What are you guys? Yeah, you guys are chubbier and smaller than the starlings. What are you little ones? Brown little birds. Go ahead. It's pretty cold out there this morning. I know they feel the heat coming from the window, too. Probably some of it. Oh, Mr. Squirrel in the corner. Smudgy, he's in your corner. Up. Hello. You can have a peanut. Come on. Hurry up, get a peanut. Good girl. Yep. That. There you go. Had to pick the right peanut. Those little starlings and such are actually just going for the millet and the cracked corn and the sunflower seeds. And the blue jays, they'll eat that stuff too, but they prefer the peanuts in the shell. They'll always go for those first. And I know they're taking those because they've got their own storage container for the cold when there's no food available or when I'm out. Squirrels are doing it too. Ooh, I found a whole store full of food I can store. Yeah. Grocery store is open, guys. Come stock up for the winter. It is chilly, but I didn't want the window half closed. Just had a feeling there was going to be activity today just because of the weather. It's overcast. It's kind of cold. I want to get up and close the other window because it was sunnier a little while ago, but it's coming in overcast now. And I got to go to the food pantry today. Yeah, it's coming in very freaking cold. I got to get these boxes out of here. It's really hard to deal with them when it's windy, so I didn't do it yesterday. Ooh. Is that a starling or a crow? That's not a crow. On the window over there? Yeah. Oh, the doves are back. There's not a whole lot of seed left. They decimated it yesterday. And I had a piss load. I mean, I have a whole bag full. But I can open, but I don't want it right now. I'm waiting for my pain to go. I took my pain meds. You hear that? That always freaks me out, the sound. It's so loud the way doves slap their wings on someone. Bird of peace, my ass. They're bullies, man. Yeah, you little dove, that's right. Y'all are bullies, dude. You look all sweet and peaceful. You're the messenger of peace. Man, when there's a bunch of you, you will whack anybody with your wings, won't you? They will, too. You can see it on some of my other videos when there's a whole piss load of doves up there. They're whack, 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 whack. Don't with their wings at each other. It's pretty rude to watch. Seriously. One day I didn't even know they would do that shit. It could be that loud, but one day, a year or so ago, I was hearing dunk, 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 dunk. I look over at there, see? Hear that? Start whacking each other. Do you? See? See that? Meanwhile, Smudge is watching the dove spat. Bicker and fight. She's like, yeah, you keep fighting. I'll come right up behind you and scare the crap out of you. Gonna scare him much. And scare him much. Blue Jay's getting ready to scare him off. The squirrel comes and scares everybody. It's freaking hilarious when it gets crazy like this, isn't it? I love it. I'll tell you what, people, at first, when I started using this window to feed, people were like, why are there so many birds here all the time? And now it's like they look forward to it as they're coming up to it. And they're used to seeing squirrels running into the bushes by my windows and getting on my windowsills. They're used to seeing that now, most of them. Been here a while. Smudgy, you've been very restrained. You've really been keeping your self-control, Mrs. This morning we got to see squirrels, blue jays, doves, starlings. Right here in the middle of the garden apartments. I know it's kind of surreal with the playground in the background. But none of my windows, I don't have any windows that don't face the playground. So. That got Raspy's attention. She's gonna make her move, I knew it. She waited until she had blue jays, starlings, and doves. Good job, look at them all out there. You're funny, girlfriend. Good job. Good choice. Man, she waited till she had the whole production company out there. That's hilarious. Wow. This is the first day that I've noticed that the starlings found... See, 3 years ago when I first moved here, I would put like suet blocks, just suet blocks, on the balcony. But there was always shit all over the place. My arm is so tired. I've been holding it up this whole time. They're gonna eat what's left of the seed out there. So about 2 years. Whoa, they're all coming over fucking here. Oh shit, we're in trouble. We don't got enough. Oh shit. Uh-oh, it's the fucking birds here, guys. What the hell? Oh shit, what did I do? Oh hell, what did I do? Holy crap. 2 years ago, it was the starlings that were so much. I mean, it was the starlings that were, even when it was just suet plots. And I didn't get anybody that first year. It's when I moved it over here that I started getting, and then put regular seed out, not suet. And then the peanuts too. That's when I started getting. The blue jays was the peanuts and the squirrel. But I started getting the doves and the occasional cardinal with the seed. Now, with the millet and the sunflower seeds and crack corn. Today, the starlings have found me again. And I am like totally fucking overwhelmed with these guys. Look at them. And I'm sure there's a horde on the ground because I put a bunch of seed out there yesterday in the grass. I'm gonna put it out with that. Oh my god, that's hilarious.